In a couple previous videos, I gave you a set of exercises to get rid of or even prevent getting a neck hump at the top of your thoracic spine. That hump is a protective layer of fat that your body places there if your head comes forward over time and your posture gets worse. Those other videos took you through unlocking the vertebrae, stretching the area, and strengthening the muscles. In this video, I have a quick set of 4 exercises that we'll do together. When you do each of these, pull back in your shoulders so that you feel the shoulder blades coming together in your back. You can do these exercises at any time. You can even do these at work in a conference room or close the door in a bathroom stall when you just need some privacy. Let's get right to it. First, hold your arms up in a Y position and pull them back a bit so that you feel the stretch. Keep your head facing forward, not looking up or down, and hold for 30 seconds. Are you ready? Go! Next, bring your elbows down so that your arms look like a W and pull your arms back slightly to feel the stretch and hold that for 30 seconds. Are you ready? Go. Third, with your palms facing up and your arms straight out to your sides, pull your arms back a bit to feel the stretch and hold that for 30 seconds. Are you ready? Go. For the 4th exercise, put your bent arms in front of you like this, and then turn your forearms out, and then hold your arms there for 30 seconds while pinching your shoulder blades together. Are you ready? Go. Check out the other longer videos for deeper exercises to get rid of a neck hump by tapping its image here on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.